Hello students, today we will discuss a topic of computer organization. Introduction. What is computer? Computer is an electronic device which was initially used for mathematical calculation to be done rapidly, but nowadays computer can be used in our daily life for many purposes like banking, education, transport, science and research, traffic control, commerce, and all the fields we face in our daily life. So we can define the term computer as the full form of computer may be C. Commonly O. Operated, M. Machine, P. Primarily, U. Used, T. Trade, E. Education, and R. Research. Basic components of computer. The basic component of computer organization. The computer organization can be divided into three parts. The first part is input unit. Input unit or input devices are the part of computer through which we can enter the data, command or instruction to the CPU. There are many types of input devices like keyboard, mouse, joystick, touch pen, light pen, touch screen, punch card reader, etc. Here is a block diagram. This image is drawn by Nikita. A block diagram of computer organization. This diagram consists of three parts. The first part is input unit. Second part is CPU, central processing unit. This CPU consists of three parts: ALU, MU, and control unit, CU. And third part is output unit, where the results are displayed. We will discuss the remaining two parts, that is CPU and output unit. CPU, central processing unit, is present in the midway of input and output unit. The CPU is a combination of mainly three parts: arithmetic and logic unit, control unit, and memory unit. First part is arithmetic and logic unit. Arithmetic and logic unit is the part of CPU which performs the mathematical calculations and logical operations or decisions. It takes data from memory and after action performed it reverts result back to the memory. Control unit. The control unit control all the electrical signal and all the functions of computer. That is, it control input devices, output devices, memory unit, ALU, and all other parts of computer. Memory unit. The data, commands or instructions entered into computer by the input devices are to be stored in memory unit. Hence, memory unit is the memory units are the devices where the data is to be stored. Here we will discuss two types of memory: primary memory and secondary memory. Primary memory is the memory which is used for immediate storage. This is of two types: RAM and ROM, that is random access memory, and read-only memory. All the working is stored in this memory. The data stored in RAM, random access memory, is erased when we turn off the computer. It saves live data only. That is, when the computer is only in on mode, data is stored. Secondary memory. Secondary memory is also called external memory or permanent memory. hard disk, CD, DVD, pen drive, SSD, magnetic tape, Blu-ray disc, etc. are the example of this type of memory. This memory does not use any backup or battery power or to store the data. This type of memory is permanent in nature. Output unit. The last part of this computer organization is output unit. Output unit is of the computer is that on which output or results can be displayed. For example, monitor or VDU, LED, LCD, printer, graph plotter, punch card, etc. Now there is a work for home. Draw the block diagram of computer organization in your notebook. Write the various part of computer organization in your notebook. Thank you and be motivated in this corona pandemic situation and stay safe. Have a nice